guys, so in this video I'll tell you how to restore your deleted messages on Instagram. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram. After that, you have to go to your profile, and here at the top right corner you have to click on these three lines, and then you have to go to your activity. In your activity you have to scroll down and you can see the last option is of download your information. You have to click on this, and here it will says that get a copy of what you have shared on Instagram. Well, email you a link to a file with your photos, comments, profile information and more. It may take up to 14 days to collect this data and send it to you. After that, you have to put your email account, and then you have to click on request download, and here you have to put your account password. Okay guys, now I have put my password, and then I have to click on next. After that, it says the download requested, then you have to click on done. After that, Instagram will send you an email regarding to your downloading data request. In the email, Instagram will send you a link through which you can download all of your data in your mobile phone, your comments, your posts, your shares, likes and all of your stories, and as well as your Instagram, and last but not the least, all of your deleted chats on Instagram will also be downloaded, so you can see that all of the chats from the downloaded file. So guys, this brings me in the end of the video. Hope you guys like this tutorial of restoring your deleted messages from Instagram. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.